Construction Plan Reading 101, Part 7. We left off at C300, we're at C500, Utility Plan. When discussing utility plans, we're really talking about water, sewer, sanitary, those types of things. On this site, we have some pretty interesting structures that I wanted to talk about because most construction projects, you don't get to look at these. So I'm going to hit a few of them real quick so we can move on. When we talk about a project and it's a one-story, and you think about rainwater needs to get off of this property in order so it doesn't flood. And you have to then locate where the storm sewer is that is going to remove it from this site. When this project was first built, this sewer line was brought in and it stops right here. Now, why does it stop there? Because they didn't know what we would be doing on this job site. Now that we're here and we're going to build this 108 is going to be your first structure. And the structures look like this. If you can imagine, they would look like something like that, a toilet paper roll, and then there's a grate on top. So the reason I brought that in is so at least you get a visual of what it looks like three-dimensionally. So from here, if you understand the site, let's say rain falls on it, right? It needs to get off the job site or off this property, sorry. All of these structures carry the water. So from here, this comes off the roof of the building. It runs over to here. This is a curb, and this structure, 106, looks like this. Underground, it runs over to here, to 105, and it looks like this. And that's like a curb gutter. Now this line that you're seeing here is off of the roof as well. It comes off a scupper, which looks like this. It hits here, goes underground, comes across, and now all of this water is now running across here to 104, and then it runs to 102, as does this. 103 runs to 102, and they all run until it gets to 101, and then it hits 108. Now you can see this little fledgling off to the side, which is a 100, which is also a curb, which catches that water coming onto the property. Now from here, everything runs right off. And that is your storm sewer water. Now we also have the sanitary line, and that's called the SS, and that's a sanitary sewer. And that runs here. If you look at the video I posted yesterday, that is exactly where it was. That's when we opened the top up and you looked in and you could see the water running. It was running down here and hitting here. So if you come back here, this will be the clean out. It'll hit here. Sorry, that's the manhole. It hits here to the clean out.